Excuse me. Sorry. I know that was an aggressive sneeze, my bad. Anyways. Okay, let's see. What is it? What's going on? What am I doing? Okay, how did we just spend so much time talking about global geography? Like, where is my go live tweet? Why? I need to freaking... Bless you, right in my earbuds. Sorry, guys. My dad sneezes like a maniac, and I definitely inherited that from him. When I was a kid, I used to always be like, why do you sneeze so loud? And now I'm just like him for real. But that's because it, like, hurts whenever I try to, like, not sneeze loudly. You know? Like, I feel like... Y'all ever, like, try to stifle a sneeze and then you feel like your freaking brain is gonna pop out? Like, that's how I feel. So I just be letting it rip. My sneeze, that is.